Hello everyone.
Hello.
Today we're making a video about soju and I'm very happy. I'm going to show you 3 different soju recipes, so let's get started. Very happy. For our Soju Mojito, what we're going to need is Sicilian lemonade, fresh soju, lemon slices, lemon chunks, mint and ice. So what you want to do first, add your mint leaves in, just like so. That's a nice helping, I like the freshness. Then add your lemon chunks. And then you want to give it a crush, make sure all the flavours come up. At least until you've got all the lemon juice up. Smash some ice in there. Now, you can either put 2 shots of soju, you don't want it to be overpowering, or 3 shots depending if you're an alcoholic like me. So we're going to go for 3. Anything for luck. Oh, that's good shit. Then add a bit of Sicilian sparkling lemonade, just to give it that fizz. Put that to one side. Crack the lid on, give it a shake. And here we have our Soju Mojito. It smells good, let's give it a taste. Refreshing. Zingy. Don't really taste that much soju, but it's a damn good hit. On to our next one. So for our next cocktail, what we're going to be making is a watermelon soju cocktail. What we're going to need is watermelon, ice, 7-Up, lemon slices, a bit of mint, and of course the almighty soju. First thing you do, you blend your watermelon together. Next thing we're going to do is strain our melon, making sure to get all the little bits out. So once you've done your watermelon, add your ice in, add your Sprite, most importantly, add your soju. 1, 2, 3, 1 for me. Let's go! Lid on. Give it a shake.
너 자신에게 문을 닫지 말고 네 할 일을 봐. I can't
I give you watermelon soju cocktail. Let's give it a taste. On to the next one. Now this is a recipe for a Yakult soju cocktail. What we're going to need is Yakult, a bit of Sicilian lemonade, ice, fresh soju, and a lemon slice. So we start with the ice. Then we add the Yakult, equal amount, so I'd say about 3 or 4. Splash of Sicilian lemonade. Then we move on to the soju. Put as much as you like. 1, 2 for you. 1 for me. And 1 more for luck. Lid on. Give it a shake. Done. Yakult soju done. Let's give it a taste. Wow, I didn't think this would work. It works so well. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so good. I'll try some. Okay, good. I hope you enjoyed this one. It's a bit different, but I think you'll all appreciate alcohol right now. Guess which one's my favourite in the comments down below? I'll give you a hint. It's the one with soju in it. I'll see you guys next week. Bye. First drink done. And here we have our soju Why'd you say martini that one time? Now I think it's a martini. Here we have our soju mojito. Or mojito. Mojito. Sure to get all the little